In this guide, I'll show you how to join the Blox Fruits Discord server on your mobile device. It's a very simple process, and there's only one main method to do this successfully. First, make sure you have the Discord app installed on your device. Next, open any internet browser and go to a search engine like google.co.uk. In the search bar, type Blox Fruits Discord server and press enter. Then, click on the first search result, which will take you directly to the Discord invite page. From there, simply tap Accept Invite. If you see a message saying that the server is currently full, there's unfortunately nothing we can do about that. What you can try instead is going back to your browser and joining the second Blox Fruits server listed just below. While it's not as active as the main one, it still has around 68,000 members and about 5,000 people online, so you should be able to join that one without any issues. And that's it, guys! If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.